Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Words like some, any, much and many. These are called quantifiers. Now why are they called quantifiers? Because they tell us how much or how many of a substance or something is there. Now children, these quantifiers are used with countable and uncountable nouns. Now, how can we understand and how can we determine which quantifier is going to be used with countable noun and which one is going to be used with uncountable nouns? Children, we use much with uncountable nouns and many with countable nouns. So whenever a question is asked like how much of a substance is there, so how much means it is for uncountable nouns and how many means countable nouns. So you have to give your answers accordingly. Now how you will give your answers? Let's see. So children, if there is a question like how many pencils do you need? The answer to this question can be I need a few, some, a lot of or lots of pencils. So for this question you can use any of these options, any of these four options. So how many means how many, like what number of pencils do you need? So for that you will write either I need a few pencils or I need some pencils, I need a lot of pencils or I need lots of pencils. So you're not explaining the exact number, but you are just telling that I need these much pencils. So this is one of the ways in which we can write about how many pencils, like uses of how many, how you are going to use this in a sentence. Children, let's see this one. So if a question asks you how much milk is there in the bottle? So for this your answer can be there is a little or some or a lot of or lots of milk in the bottle. So you can choose any of these four options. You can either say there is a little milk in the bottle, you can say there is some milk in the bottle, you can say there is a lot of milk in the bottle, or you can say there is lots of milk in the bottle. So children, this can be your answer. So for how much you have to use these four options. Any of these four options can be used. A little, some, a lot of or lots of. Children, now let's see how to use how much and how many in a sentence. So when the question asks you how much of a certain thing is there? So in that case you can give answers like there is a little or some or a lot of and lots of. So by using these four words you can give the answer to how much of a substance is there. Similarly, if we have how many, like how many books are there, how many pencils are there, in that case you will say a few, some, a lot of or lots of. So children, you have to understand the difference between how many and how much. How much it is used for uncountable nouns, that is like things like water, tea, rice, sugar, all these things. And how many is used for countable nouns.